If you play Padel regularly, you already know how annoying it is to keep track of the score during matches, especially in competitive games, where people constantly forget whose serve it is, the current game score, or even the set score. And honestly, that's why paddle score apps became so popular recently, because they make matches feel way more organized without needing extra equipment. So in this video, we're talking about some of the best paddle score apps available right now, what features actually matter, and which app may be best, depending on how you play. First, the best paddle score app for most players is probably Playtomic, because honestly, it does much more than just scoring. It combines match booking, player rankings, club management, and score tracking all in one app. And since so many paddle clubs already use it, the experience feels very connected and social, especially if you regularly play at clubs or competitive events. Now, another huge advantage, Playtomic helps players find matches and opponents nearby, which is one reason it became massive in the paddle world, and honestly, that social feature alone makes it more useful than many simple score-only apps. Now, another popular option, Paddle Score. This one focuses more directly on score tracking during matches. The interface is usually much simpler and faster, which many casual players actually prefer, especially during intense games where nobody wants to open complicated menus. Some versions even support smartwatch integration, which honestly makes score tracking much easier during real matches. Now, another interesting option, Paddle Fast. This app focuses heavily on statistics and match analysis, so instead of only tracking points, it also helps monitor performance match history and player progress over time. And honestly, competitive. Players usually enjoy this type of data a lot more, especially if they play tournaments regularly. Now let's talk about what actually matters in a good paddle score app, because honestly, many apps do the basics. The real difference comes from features, like Easy Score, Input Match, History Player Rankings, Smartwatch support, and whether your local clubs actually use the app. And honestly, that last part is very important, because some apps are technically good, but almost nobody around you uses them. Now, another thing worth mentioning, many players prefer apps that work quickly with one hand during matches, because nobody wants to stop gameplay every 2 minutes struggling with menus. So simple interfaces honestly matter a lot more than people think. Now, let's talk about the negatives, because no app is perfect. Some score apps become too focused on subscriptions and premium features, others feel buggy during live matches, and some apps drain battery faster than expected during long tournaments, especially when using live statistics and GPS-related features. Now, let's be honest for a second. If your only goal is basic score tracking, you probably do not need the most advanced app on the market. A simple, lightweight app may actually feel better. But if you play paddle competitively or constantly organize matches with friends, apps with rankings clubs and statistics become much more useful. So to wrap this up, the best paddle score app really depends on how you play. If you want the best all-around experience, Playtomic is probably the strongest overall option right now, especially for club players and organized matches. But if you mainly want simple score tracking during games, lighter apps focused only on scoring may actually feel easier and faster. And honestly, the best app is usually the one that helps you focus more on the match, instead of fighting with your phone every few minutes.